Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Habadi Abdullah Sauro from class C. Now I want to make a video to answer the question the Miss have been give to us. The number one is, what problem or uncertain piece did the speaker convey at the beginning of the video? How did she feel about the question, what do you want to be when you grow up? At the beginning of the video, Khairani actually talked about the confusion and uncertainty she felt when asked, what do you want to be when you grow up? This question made her feel pressured because she did have a definition answer and feel like she was still searching for direction. She felt there was an expectation to have a great goal, even though she was still in the process of finding herself. Number two, how did Khairani describe her school days and her strict and difficult as a student? Include academic experience and extracurricular activities. Khairani described her school days as a period where she struggled to find the motivation to study. She didn't feel she had a strong interest in any particular subject. However, outside of class, she was actively selling used goods or thrifting online. This shows that she has an entrepreneurial spirit and is good at seeing opportunities outside of the academic environment. The number three is, what pressure or expectation did Khairani crave from those around her, friends, parents, teachers, and community? How did this expectation influence her field choices? Khairani felt pressure for her parents and the community to choose a career that was considered stable and correct. That is, a job with a clear and guaranteed future, such as a doctor or lawyer. This expectation influenced her choices, making her hesitate to pursue her interest in passion and business because they were considered less serious by the environment. Number four is, what moment was the turning point for Khairani to switch from selling used goods to personal shopping? Explain when she realized there was a market and demand. The turning point occurred when Khairani realized there was a large demand for the used goods she was selling. From there, she began to see a larger business potential than just selling used goods. She realized she could create her own blend and often more personalized product to her customer. Number five, what challenge did Khairani face in choosing business as a career in Brunei? Also mention the social view on stability and valid career. One of the main challenge Khairani faced was the strong social view in Brunei regarding the importance of stability and courage. Many people choosing business to be risky and less guarded choose compared to formal employment. They made her have to work hard to prove that she could succeed in business. Number 6 is, what is the meaning of the expression chooses your heart? What example is give the how does this concept relate to Khairani's life decisions? Chooses your heart means that every choices in life has its own challenges and difficult. Khairani exemplifies that choosing a stable career may seem easy at first, but it can be boring and unsatisfying if it doesn't suit your interest. Conversely, pursuing your passion may be more difficult, but I can prove it a great satisfaction. This idea is very difficult to her decision to pursue business despite the pleasure to choose a more conversation career. Number 7 is, what final message and advice does she leave for people who feel lost? How does the Robert Greene quote support her main point? In her text title, When You Lose Pleasure Yourself, Khairani Asri shares her experience facing uncertainty until she found her true self. Khairani talks about her unmotivated school days, feeling pressure to choose a stable career, and how she eventually decided to pursue her passion in the fashion business, namely her online thrifting business, where she realized there was a market opportunity until she was able to establish her own brand. Khairani emphasizes the importance of choose your heart, which means that every choice has its own challenge, and we must choose the challenge that aligns with our interests and talent. Her final message is that uncertainty can be the beginning of something extraordinary, and we must dare to pursue ourselves to find a meaningful path in field. I think that's all for me to make this video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.